Okay, hi, assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you all how do I install Windows 10 Pro. So we start. First, you need download the Windows 10 tool. So I use the Google download Windows tool. And then I click download. After finish, we open and click yes. Don't forget standby the USB. I use about 16 gig. Choose the second one and then click next. And then click next. Choose the USB flash driver and then click next. Select the USB and then click next. Before we start, I want to check the USB also plug in and then click next. After finish, okay, click finish. Okay, click close. And then we try open the USB. And then I want to copy the crack for Windows 10. I copy and then I paste to USB thumb drive because later we need this one. And then after finish, click the close and we restart. And then we choose the USB. Select your country. I also select my country, Malaysia, and then click next. After this, click install. And then I don't have key, so I choose the Windows 10 Pro and click next. Agree, next, custom, select all partition. I have only one hard disk. You can see the 000 drive, so I need format. I format all the partition. And then I click next. First, I want appear desktop icon, this PC. and then we copy the crack to desktop. And then I want to open the properties. You can see the Windows is not active. Then we close. First, open the command. You just right click and run as administrator. Then click yes, and then open the text. You need to copy the first one and then paste to the command. Copy and then paste to command. Just enter and then copy the second one. Sorry, I want to resize this one. Right, copy and paste and enter. After this, click OK, and then copy the last one and paste to command and click enter. After a few minutes, you can see and then finish. So click OK and then close. You need to restart the PC to see the active Windows. So I click restart. Okay, after restart, I choose my password and click enter, and then we try open the properties. See Windows is active now, right? To you all guys, thank you watching my video, and don't forget subscribe, and don't forget click the lonceng button. Alright, assalamualaikum.